Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to UiPath Forms tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to display images in UiPath Forms. So let's get started.
Let's drag and drop this. We will use this HTML element to add the logo of the company. In this case, I will take UiPath RP logo from the local folder. Here you can see in the display the label that is HTML currently showing as a P. So P HTML tag P is the for paragraph. Now if I need to add a logo, then I need to write here image tag img, right? First this one. Now to take the images from any sources, you need to take source attribute that is src, and then value is your the image path. So you can do one thing, you can write here src here in the attribute. In the value you have to copy the path of that file. So this time I'm going to show you from the local folder. I have this in the project folder. Let's open this project folder, and this is the logo which I'm going to show you. This is in my project folder. Paste here and put here dot png. I think this is png file. Yes, this is png file. So write here png. And once you will write this value, this file path, you will see the logo. This is UiPath RP logo, my YouTube channel. Now you can add multiple attributes for this HTML tag image, right? So let's say I want to set the height and width of this logo. So I can take another attribute that is height. And then I can say height should be 50 pixel. Let's see. So it has been changed. Let's make it 100 pixel. This looks good, right? If you want to set the width of that, but it seems like this is okay with the height itself, but you can add multiple things for the image tag. So I have shown you using these attributes. You can also add image tag with the attributes here itself. I will show you that also. Now let's save it. Another example I'm going to show you to take UiPath logo from online images. Online images means I want to take it from here. So I have searched that UiPath logo icon on the Google. Now I'm going to take this logo and I will show you how to use this. So I will right click and click copy image link. Let's go to UiPath Studio, and now I will take another HTML element component. So this time I will write here img because I want to take so the display the images. So I will say image img. Now instead of putting the attribute here, I will show you how to write HTML custom code to display images. Okay, so I will write here this way img src equals to, in double quotes I will paste that URL which I have copied from Google. Okay, img src equal to that path, data image png, this one. Now go on top and you can see here logo is showing now. If you want to set the height and width of this, you can set it directly from here itself. Here next to the src you can write here itself HIGST height equal to, you want to set it like 50 pixel. You can see this has been changed. You want to say it 70 pixel. Let's change that 70 pixel. Let's make it 100 pixel. Okay, this is changed now. So this way you can write HTML code to display the images. Let's save it.
I hope you understood how to display images in UiPath Forms. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.